How to accept all friend requests on Facebook at once. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you if there is a way to accept all friend requests on Facebook at once. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that there is no any such official or one-click solution to accept all friend requests on Facebook. However, you can use your Facebook application to accept the friend request one by one. Simply open Facebook. After your simply tap on friend at the bottom, and from your simply if you get any friend request simply tap on confirm. After that you'll have to just continuously repeat that process. After you're done by tapping on confirm for the all of the request, you'll be able to accept all friend requests. That is the only one method that Facebook will allow you. And that's it. This is the informative video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.